So my tomato growing process usually starts in my parents' basement. Here I filled a cell tray with potting mix, set it under my grow light, and added some cloud juice. Then I whipped out the tomato seeds and added a pinch to the center of each cell. These colored seeds are from a 3-in-1 cherry tomato pack. I lightly covered the seeds and gave the setup a good misting. I bought this plastic cover to increase warmth and speed up germination. Oh, and you can't see it here, but I've also got a seedling heat mat under the tray to give these tomatoes the temperature they need to emerge prolifically. Germination takes about a week, and after around 2 weeks, your baby toms should look similar to these. Just look how happy they look, standing tall and destined for heavy yields of tip-top tomatoes. At this stage, it's time to give your seedlings more room. They're all cramped up in these little cells, and it's just not enough space. When repotting, I bury the stems up to the seed leaves since tomatoes grow roots along their stems. Pretty weird, but it's a true fact. Give your tomboys a gentle drink and they'll feel right at home. If all the seeds in a cell germinate, count yourself lucky and simply snip off the weaker ones at the soil line. When the repotting business is through, it's back into the grow light. Keep the lights bright for 12 hours a day using an electric timer. As far as watering goes, just keep the potting mix moisture infused but not soggy. At this point, time is all you need. As the weeks flip by and the frost-free date in your area has arrived, it's time to start gradually introducing the seedlings to the great outdoors. Put the tender greenlings in a sheltered area with filtered light. This is important because if it's not filtered light, if it's a really hot, sunny environment, they're not going to last too long. Take my word for it. And keep an eye on soil moisture because it's windy outdoors and your plants will dry out a lot quicker. After a couple weeks of exposure to the outdoors, the tomatoes are tough and ready for planting. And that's it. Now you've got strong starts that'll become beautiful future tomatoes. Fast forward a couple months and this is what my seedlings look like. Decent turnout, but unfortunately the squirrels and other critters ruined my crop. I wanted to show you this sunrise bumblebee tomato I grew last season. It's a pretty cool looking plant, and the cherries tasted pretty good, so I think I'm going to give it another shot this season. Hey, thanks for watching. Follow me on Instagram for exclusive updates. Until next time, grow it best.